वीरवार को मुंबई में फिल्म शॉर्टकट रोमियो का प्रीमियर हुआ, जिसमें फिल्म की स्टार कास्ट के साथ साथ बहुत से बॉलीवुड के सेलिब्रिटीज ने शिरकत की।
I've never been nervous for any of my films. I'm really excited. You know, for us, hard work is the most important thing. For any actor to make sure that his film, sees the light of day is important. And I think that day has come for Shortcut Romeo. And both Amisha and I are extremely, very, very proud of the fact that we made this film. It's a pure, entertaining masala film. Go watch this and enjoy yourself.
Second, exactly what Neil said. We've put in a lot of hard work, and we know this is one film that won't disappoint the viewers. It's a complete paisa vasool filmy film, and it's very entertaining with great performances, action, love, romance, music. It's got everything that a film could ask for, so go watch it.
फिल्म के डायरेक्टर सुसी गणेशन भी पहुंचे अपने बच्चों के साथ फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग पर और थे थोड़े नर्वस भी।
Basically, I'll say, I should not lie. Just I'm a little bit nervous. Basically, this is though I've directed 4 films, this looks like my first baby because Bollywood is like my new, arena. I want to prove myself as a producer and director, and it's really, really, nervous. But inside there is a lot of confidence because based on the confidence only, I decided to produce and direct this film. So hopefully after seeing the film, everybody is saying it's come out very nicely and it's a very fantastic film. So after getting the feedback, now just a little bit more confidence, but still I'm trying to hide my nervousness.
सुसी गणेशन ने किया धानुष को उनकी फिल्म राजना के लिए विश।
Actually, I never intended to just pitch against Dhanush because I really like him. And basically, his father is very, very well known to each other, me and him and all. So basically, it's like we announced on 21st. Actually, they were on 28th. Suddenly, they shifted to 21st. So it's a really, it's not like intended to fight against each other. Basically, everybody wants to have a clear weekend, but it's only 52 Fridays. So you can't have either way you have to fight with any one of the films, which could be accidentally this film could be from Dhanush is from South and I am from South. And basically, I think probably, I wish Dhanush should be success. Hopefully, he also wish Susi should be successful here.
वहीं सुसी गणेशन जिनकी फिल्म का ये रीमेक है और इनकी फिल्म ने साउथ में किया था धमाल, तो कुछ ऐसे ही उम्मीद रखते हैं वो बॉलीवुड से।
Yeah, I think the trend of now the Bollywood trend is a lot of successful films is like all very successful films are from South. So basically the trend I'm not believe the trend and all, but this is almost like proven subject which is very strong content oriented, commercially V1, like it's not like a very dark or very story something. It's nicely packaged. It's a beautiful entertainment film, but with a strong message. It worked in a big way in South. In fact, it's like a dark horse. Nobody actually would have expected that kind of success that time. Hopefully, I think the same way, I think the same success probably I can attain here in Bollywood. That is what I think. I'm the same director, same creator, which made the same film. But I can proudly say that this film is 10 times bigger and better than my Tamil version.
फिल्म की हीरोइन पूजा गुप्ता भी दिखी नर्वस।
Very nervous. It's my film right now releasing, so I'm really, and I'm silly late also, so sorry for that. So I'm shaking right now because for me it's like a first commercial big film where I'm playing this full actress and playing in around the jungles and running around singing all the songs, and it's my first romantic film, so it's really dear to me, so I'm really looking forward to it. Yes, I feel this is my debut film completely, and Neil says that a lot about me as well, and I really hope now people like me and sees me in this avatar.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।